Stop, this is not a potato snack. Crunchy sound, golden color, 100% Vrat friendly recipe. Namaskar everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a Sabudana fries perfect for Ekadasi and fasting days. Watch till the end for the secret tip. Come now, let's begin. Take half cup of Sabudana and add 1 cup of water and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Now to the large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of soaked Sabudana and 2 boiled and smashed potatoes, finely chopped green chilies. Now I am adding crushed groundnut powder. Add half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Add some salt. Add half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of dhania powder and 1/4 tablespoon of chaat masala. Mix everything thoroughly. Now take a small amount and roll into thin and long strips as shown. Pour oil to the pan, let it heat it up. Now gently drop the strips into the oil one by one. One important tip, do not touch the fries immediately after adding them to the hot oil. They are very delicate at this stage and may break easily. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes in the medium flame. Make sure it is fried evenly. Now our crunchy and super tasty Sabudana fries are ready. Pair it with some mint chutney and enjoy. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.